Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your domain inside the Discord app, fast and easy. If you got your own website or domain and want to integrate it with Discord, this guide is for you. So let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your device. From the home menu, tap your profile picture to open the user settings. Tap on Connections. Now tap on Add at the top right. Scroll down the list and select Domain. Enter your domain name, for example, mywebsite.com, and tap Next. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the connection process. And that's it. Your domain is now connected to Discord. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.